Multiplication is a quick and powerful way of adding the same number over and over again. If you can do addition, then certainly you can learn to multiply. So today we are going to learn repeated addition. Let me show you how it works.
Wow, see these beautiful butterflies. Well, I'm going to use these beautiful butterflies to show you multiplication. Can you tell me how many butterflies are here in all? Yes, these are 2 butterflies. We can denote it like that. 1, 2. These are 2 butterflies, right? So 1 times 2 means only 2. And 2 more butterflies join us. And these are previous butterflies. Now add them. How many butterflies are here? 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 means 4. When we add the same number again and again, it is called repeated addition. Means we are repeating the same number again and again in addition. And this number is 2. Right? Here, 2 groups of 2 each makes 4. 1 group, 2 group, right? Means 2 is added 2 times to make 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. It can be written as 2, 2's are 4. So this is number of groups. How many groups we have? 2 groups. And this one is number of butterfly in each group. So we have 2 butterflies in each group. And the total butterflies 4. And what is this? This is the sign of multiplication. It can be read as 2 times 2 is 4. 2 2's are 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. And 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. Now 2 more butterflies will add. These are the same butterflies. Previous one. Now we will add 2 more butterflies. Okay. Now it's your turn. Tell me the number of groups. Number of groups of 2's. 1 group, 2 group and 3 groups. Number of groups 3. And number of butterfly in each group. This is first group. And number of butterflies 2. 2 butterflies, 2 butterflies. Okay, so we can say each group has 2 butterflies. So we'll write number of butterfly in each group 2. Which number is repeated? 2 again. How many times? 1, 2 and 3 times. Okay. So this is called repeated addition. We are repeating the number of 2 again and again. So repeated addition fact is 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal 6. It takes longer time to add. To do fast addition, we use multiplication. So multiplication fact is 3 times 2. So we can write 2, 3's are 6. Can you observe here? This is a multiplication table of 2. 2, 1 time is equal 2. 2 2's are 4. 2 3's are 6. Or when we add 2 4 times, it means this is 8. 2 4's are 8. Similarly, we can add 2 5's are 10. Using same way, we can make multiplication tables of any number by repeating them twice, thrice, 4 times or many more times. This repeated addition is called multiplication. There are 3 flower pots in Vinicia's house. How many flowers are there in the pots? So first of all, we need to find number of pot is equal 1, 2, 3. These are 3 pot. Now number of flower in each pot. There is no flower, so we will write number of flowers 0. Now repeated addition fact is 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to, when we add 0 3 times, then we'll get 0 only. Now multiplication fact is 3 times 0, 1, 2 and 3. So we will write 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to what? When you multiply any number by 0, then the answer is always 0. So 3 zeros are 0. Suppose when we multiply 2 by 0, we'll get 0. 3 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. So remember, when you multiply any number by 0, the answer is always 0. Now see, Vinisha has put 1 flower in each pot. So number of pot 3 and number of flower in each pot 1. So repeated addition fact will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 2 and 2 plus 1 3. Okay, then multiplication fact, how many times 1? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 1, so we'll write 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3 ones are 3. When a number is multiplied by 1, the answer is always the number itself. Like, suppose we are multiplying 2 ones are 2 always. 3 ones are 3. 4 ones are 4. 5 ones are 5. Similarly, when you multiply 1 by any number, then you will get the number itself as an answer. Okay?
So this is the way we can make multiplication tables. To learn more about multiplication, you should learn these multiplication facts and multiplication tables. These are the multiplication tables. So do memorize these tables to learn more about multiplication. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.